Did you know your refrigerator does more than just preserve food? Every sip of chilled water you drink passes through its filter first. An old, expired filter could be silently contaminating your drinking water. Standard filters clog quickly, becoming breeding grounds for bacteria and mold. These contaminants can seep into your ice cubes, drinking water, and even affect the food stored in your fridge. Are your ice cubes cloudy? Does your cold water taste odd? These are clear signs your filter is failing. Stop compromising with an old filter. Our premium Twist and Lock refrigerator filter uses Sri Lankan coconut shell activated carbon for superior purification. It removes 99% of impurities, including rust, parasites, and sediments, delivering baby-safe purified water so your family can enjoy crisp, clean ice water with peace of mind. When to replace your filter? Replace it if ice production slows down, water develops an earthy taste, the filter indicator light blinks. Replacement takes just 10 seconds, no tools needed. Open the filter compartment, twist the old cartridge counterclockwise, and it pops right out. Align the new filter. Push and twist clockwise until it clicks into place. That's it. 10 seconds to safeguard your family's health. Enjoy pure, refreshing ice water, free from hidden contaminants.